Many people want to make money online, but what they meet instead are scams, fake promises, and frustration. Some people have lost their savings. Others have wasted months following the wrong advice. If you want to learn legitimate ways to make money online, not shortcuts, not hype, then this video is for you. I understand how confusing the online space can be. Every day, you see screenshots of people claiming they made huge money overnight. But when you try the same thing, it doesn't work. The truth is simple. Legitimate money online is real, but it follows principles, not magic. On this channel, I share honest and practical guidance on how to make legitimate money online, especially for beginners. No exaggeration, no false promises, just clear explanations you can understand and apply. First, let's be clear about something. Legitimate money online means provide value. You solve problems. You earn gradually, not instantly. If anyone tells you that you can press a button and start earning big money tomorrow, that is not legitimate. Most people fail online for 3 reasons. Number 1, they are chasing fast money. Number 2, they jump from one opportunity to another without learning any skill. Number 3, they don't give themselves enough time to grow. Legitimate online income requires patience, learning, and consistency. Every real online income is built on 3 foundations. First, skills. You must learn something people are willing to pay for. Second, platforms. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, marketplaces, or social media help you reach people. Third, trust. People only pay those they trust. If any one of these is missing, income will not last. Let me briefly mention some legitimate online business models. 1, content creation, such as YouTube or blogging. 2, affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by recommending useful products. 3, digital products like ebooks or online courses. 4, freelancing, where you offer services online. These models work, but only when done the right way. To protect yourself, there are things you must avoid. Avoid platforms that promise guaranteed profits. Anyone asking you to pay just to unlock money, any opportunity with no clear explanation of how money is made is nothing but a scam. Stay clear of it. Legitimate businesses are transparent. Let me be honest with you. Legitimate money online does not make you rich in 1 week. The people you see succeeding today started small and stayed consistent. If you are serious about learning how to make legitimate money online, then you are in the right place. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. In the next videos, I will break down specific methods step by step in a simple way anyone can understand. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.